Hey there, sleep enthusiasts and tired souls. Ever felt like you're dragging yourself out of bed even after a full night's sleep? You're not alone. Millions of people wake up feeling exhausted despite getting their recommended 8 hours. Today, we're diving deep into the mystery of why you might wake up tired. We'll explore sleep cycles, sleep apnea, stress, and the impact of blue light. So, grab a cup of coffee or maybe some chamomile tea, and let's get started. Let's begin with sleep cycles. Our sleep isn't just one long stretch of unconsciousness, it's actually made up of several cycles, each lasting about 90 minutes. During these cycles, we move through different stages of sleep. There's light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep. Each stage plays a crucial role in helping our body and mind recover. The problem arises when these cycles are disrupted. If you wake up in the middle of a deep sleep stage, you'll feel groggy and tired. This is why sometimes sleeping longer can actually make you feel worse. Now, let's talk about sleep quality. It's not just about how long you sleep, but how well you sleep. Enter sleep apnea, a common sleep disorder that affects millions. Sleep apnea causes brief pauses in breathing during sleep. These pauses can happen hundreds of times a night. Each time, your brain partially wakes up to restart breathing. This constant interruption prevents you from reaching the restorative stages of sleep. As a result, you wake up feeling exhausted even after a full night in bed. Signs of sleep apnea include loud snoring, gasping for air during sleep, and daytime fatigue. If you suspect you might have sleep apnea, it's important to consult a doctor. Moving on to a factor we're all too familiar with: stress. Stress is like an unwelcome bedfellow that keeps us up at night. When we're stressed, our bodies produce more cortisol, the stress hormone. High cortisol levels can interfere with our sleep-wake cycle. This can make it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. Even if you manage to sleep for 8 hours, stress can reduce the quality of your sleep. You might spend more time in light sleep, and less time in deep, restorative sleep. The result? You wake up feeling like you barely slept at all. Let's not forget about our modern-day sleep disruptor, blue light. Blue light is emitted by electronic devices like smartphones, tablets, and computers. It's also present in LED and fluorescent lighting. Exposure to blue light, especially in the evening, can throw off our natural sleep-wake cycle. Our bodies interpret blue light as daylight, suppressing the production of melatonin. Melatonin is the hormone that helps regulate our sleep patterns. When melatonin production is delayed, it becomes harder to fall asleep. Even if you do manage to sleep for 8 hours, the quality of your sleep may be poor. This is why many sleep experts recommend avoiding screens for at least an hour before bed. Now that we've covered the main culprits, let's talk about some solutions. First, try to maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. This could include reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing gentle yoga. These activities can help signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Make your bedroom a sleep-friendly environment. Keep it cool, dark, and quiet. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows. Your sleep environment can make a big difference in your sleep quality. Limit caffeine and alcohol, especially in the evening. Both can interfere with your sleep quality, even if they don't prevent you from falling asleep. Exercise regularly, but not too close to bedtime. Physical activity can improve sleep quality, but exercising late in the evening can make it harder to fall asleep. Manage your stress through techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or journaling. Finding ways to relax before bed can significantly improve your sleep quality. Lastly, be mindful of your light exposure. Get plenty of natural light during the day. In the evening, dim the lights and use blue light filters on your devices. Consider using warm, dim lighting in the hours leading up to bedtime. Remember, good sleep is crucial for our overall health and well-being. If you're consistently waking up tired, it's worth taking a closer look at your sleep habits. Try implementing some of the tips we've discussed and see how they work for you. Everyone's sleep needs are different, so it might take some experimentation to find what works best. If you're still struggling with sleep issues, don't hesitate to consult a healthcare professional. They can help identify any underlying issues and provide personalized advice. Thanks for watching, and here's to better mornings and more energized days. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with anyone who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness content. Sweet dreams, and see you in the next video.